Hey friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making a southern collard greens with smoked turkey leg. Usually I would put in a ham hock or ham or something like that, but today we're going to be making a little bit more healthy using a smoked turkey leg. I went and bought the collard greens already cut up that you can buy in the store, but I washed them 3 times and I picked through them, and you need to get rid of this, the hard thing that's in there. There was a whole bunch of them in there, but between washing them 3 times, I found a whole bunch of them, but just throw those stems, I guess is what you call them, away, because they'll be tough. I'm fixing to put in some butter in my pan, and we're going to saute some onions and garlic. Till it gets a little tender, and I've got about one of them cloves, one of the little round cloves of garlic I've peeled and kind of separated, and we'll put that in there, those cloves, garlic. Let that cook. Put in a little bit of salt. To help that onion. Okay. I'm going to put that over just for a minute. Then I'm going to get my turkey leg. It's about a 2-pound turkey leg. I'm going to take out of the pack. We'll wash it off. Here's the nice turkey leg, about 2-pounder. We're going to put that in there with the garlic and the onion, and then we're going to let it cook for about 20-30 minutes. We've got the turkey leg, the onion, and the garlic in the pot. Now we're going to get 4 cups of chicken broth. That's 2 cups. We're going to put 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. And 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar. And a 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. This is going to be so good. I'm going to stir that around. We're going to put it on medium, and we're going to let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes, and then we'll add the turnip greens. I've taken the turkey bone out, and I'm fixing to debone it. It's done. Yep. And so I've deboned the meat, the turkey leg, and I'm fixing to add some more broth to my stock. That was about a cup probably. I'm gonna get that all heated up. And I've got my collard greens. I bought the bag of them, and I washed them 3 times, and then I deveined them. You know, that little hard vein in it. I picked all them out, so now I just got the collard greens. Yeah, there's a little small one there, and you just tear it off like that, and that hard thing, you just put it back in there. We're going to put these in the pot. Just going to put them all in there. Stir them. Then we're going to put the meat in top of it. Stir that. We'll put the lid on and turn them to simmer. We put the turnip greens in there, and we're going to turn it to a medium simmer, and we're going to cook them for 45 minutes until they wilt and they're done. And so we'll be back to show you what they look like. The collard greens are finished with that smoked turkey leg in it. And don't they look delicious? Soft and tender. Let's take a taste. Best ever. That turkey, delicious. And you got to have cornbread with it. So I made a pan of cornbread. And this is what we have with it. Those collard greens, we made meatloaf and creamed potatoes. And that's a meal. Or you can have anything you want with it. This is what we're going to have as a meal, meatloaf and creamed potatoes, but the star of the show are these wonderful collard greens. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. I hope you try them. They are delicious, wonderful seasoning, tender, and just can't get enough of them. But you gotta make some cornbread with it. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.